up, folks? It's me again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that fancy stuff if you are new to the channel. And what's today's thing? I want to do a weekly what's new. What's new? You're probably get sick of me telling you what's new, but not much new. I got a couple little tool reviews. It's cold as hell out. It actually warmed up a little. I picked up a couple of covers for the bikes, some more bike parts I've just been waiting for. Most of them are all in. And I'm waiting. The most important thing, I'm waiting for a replacement charger for my earbuds because I like to listen to music. And yeah, I'm probably getting brain cancer. I know, whatever. And what do you call it? That's about it, really. It's cold out. I got a cover for it. I got to drop off some stuff to powder coating. I just haven't been able to remember to go drive all the other side of town, but I'm gonna do it. I got the thing that I need for this thing here. It's a trunk lid to figure out the spacing on this bike, but I'm going to work on that this week. I'm assuming the trunk's not going to fit, so I'm not even going to attempt to put the trunk in. I'm just going to attach the lid to the fenders and figure it out, but because I just need it to cover the space, and that's it. I don't really give a shit if the bike has a trunk or not. So with that said, I'm going to figure out the spacing of the fenders, make a bracket to hold the fenders, probably use the other brackets to hold the fenders up, which I think there was brackets with it. I don't know where they went. And I'm going to see if I can get the fenders to stay on. And I'm waiting for a, what the hell is it? Seat cover for it. In the meantime, I got to probably try not to freeze to death and use some carb cleaner and clean the carburetor. And I want to see if I get it started. I'm thinking I probably should get one of those little portable gas tanks. So probably order one of those next week. And this week I'll have a video probably up soon of me cleaning, or if I'll have had it up already by the time I post this, of me cleaning the carburetor and getting it all straightened out. I got to pull the bikes out of here because I do some welding. There's a few projects I want to get done. So I'll be making, like I said in a previous video, a new stand for my hammer rack. I got to do a couple of spot welds on the sandblaster because I really want that thing back to working so I can sandblast a lot of things. And I think that's pretty much it. Nothing too exciting. But I'll be posting more videos and be doing stuff. I also, I don't know, probably some cleanup videos. I cleaned up the back here, believe it or not. You can actually see parts of the floor, put some stuff away. Basically, putting away means I threw it in a pile. I'm trying to clean up the other side of my welding bench because I want to move my welder over there so I can, but I got a 200-pound piece of steel in the way. Another 100-pound piece of steel, which I need to move over that way. So it's... Last time I have a 200-pound iron worker for chopping steel on the floor that I paid $100 for, and it's probably worth, I don't know, maybe less than scrap metal, but it's, I don't know, it's got to be at least an inch and a half thick steel, some spots 2 inches thick. It's somebody welded a piece of metal, I guess, so you can use a chain hoist because it's so heavy. I never put it on a stand, but it's in my way where I want to put my welder, so... And my welder's right here, and it should go right there because the plug's on the wall right there. And so that's another thing. I'm going to try to get that done this week. And that's pretty much it. Work on the house. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends. And if you're my 1,727th subscriber, thanks for doing all the buttons. Thank you. If you're some of my new subscribers from way over yonder, I've joined another platform. So I have some new subscribers from other countries. Thanks for watching. So thanks. Toodles.